Oh, we just got a sturgeon right now. Vog's fighting it.
Sideways. Yeah.
About for 3 minutes from now. Just took out the anchor. Fire, mama.
Stay right there. Get the glove, Jack, if you got glove, dude. Oh, I ain't got no glove. Well, let's see how big the fish is. Oh, the fish is a keeper, dude. No, but see if I can get it. Get on the chair. Get on the back chair over there. Over here, this way. Yeah. Over here. No, over here, back. I got it.
Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. Look at Vaughn. Finding a sturgeon, bruh. Is that hurting your balls? Damn, that's us all day, bruh. Bang Luo. Yeah, look at that pole, bruh. It looks like an R. Oh, looks like the sturgeon's coming. Oh, see that? Can you get up closer?
Oh, no worries. Just hold my iPhone tight. That's if the net can't get it, dude. You gotta get on this one.
You guys just see that? Man, that was a sturgeon. Woo! Look at that sturgeon, bruh.
I don't know, I should scare the motor.
We've been here since 7 o'clock in the morning, and we caught a sturgeon. Yeah! That's how we do it.
Hey! Yeah! John, Frank, come on.
Yeah!
Get it on video. I gotta grab the fish. Go.
Look at that fish. Look at that fish.
Come on. Hey, let me throw back the anchor. Hold on. Okay. And we'll set up first.
Okay, stop the video.
No. Keep it going. Are we gonna move or what? You wanna stay here? No, we're gonna go back over here. Okay, hold on.
Vaughn's first sturgeon of the year.
Woo!
Look at that.
Alright, we can pause it. We take pictures for Bongo.
Head to balls.